Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If you not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So our 10th question is, if a train runs at 40 km per hour, it reaches its destination late by 11 minutes. But if it runs at 50 km, it is late by 5 minutes only. Find the distance to be covered by the train. So let's take one train. So this train will go 40 km per hour. 40 km per hour. This is kilometer per hour, means this is speed. So speed, how many minutes late? 11 minutes. 11 minutes late. Then if it is speed will go with 50 km per hour, how many minutes late? 5 minutes only. So you can take time difference here. You can take time difference 11 minus, let's take T1, T2. Here S1, S2. Let's take T1 minus T2. That will be equal to 11 minus 5 minutes. That is what? 6 minutes. So 6 minutes. They are given in hours. We have to convert this minutes into hours. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Then 1 minute will be equal to 1 by 60 hours. Then 6 into 1 minute is 1 by 60 hours. Then what you can say is 6 ones are 6 tens are. Then 1 by 10 hours. So T1 minus T2. Then what is T1 and what is T2? So speed will be equal to, we should know what is the formula of speed, will be equal to distance by time. So that is, distance will be, we have to find, let's take x, time will be, let's take t. So here speed, let's take s. So from this formula what you can say is time will be equal to x by s, that is t will be equal to x by yes. So our first one, what is that is? So our first one, so let's take x is the same distance, s1 will be equal to t1, then x by s2 will be equal to t2. t1 minus t2, that is, so what is that? t1 minus t2 will be equal to x by s1 minus x by s2. So x by s1 will be, what is that speed? First one 40 minus x by, what is speed? 2, 50. That will be equal to t1 minus t2. What we got here? 1 by 10. So 1 by 10. Now if you simplify this equation, so what is that equation is? X by 40 minus x by 50 will be equal to 1 by 10. So let's take, what is this is, take common of, or you can take 10 here. So cross multiplication, what you can do is 10 into x by 40 minus x by 50 will be equal to 1. So 10 we are taking, not cross multiplication, 10 we are taking. So 10x by 40 minus 10x by 50. So 10 ones are 10 fours are, 10 ones are 10 fives are, will be equal to 1. So 1, that is x by 4 minus x by 5 will be equal to 1. Let's take LCM, we'll get 20, 4, 5 LCM. So 5x minus 4x. So we are multiplying cross, will be equal to 1. So 5x minus 4x will be equal to 20. Then x will be equal to 20 kilometers. So x will be equal to 20 kilometers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.